Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Hello girls. So I'm back today and I wanted to talk about Marc Jacobs. You guys know I've been in the outlets, I've been shopping at Marc Jacobs. If you like Marc Jacobs handbags, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, check out my videos on Marc Jacobs. I've been in the outlet, you girls, and I've picked up several Marc Jacobs bags that I'm going to be revealing on my channel. So I have several of them right here, but today I wanted to talk about a Marc Jacobs bag that wasn't at the outlet. So I had to order this beauty online. So here she is. I received her in the mail. You guys don't know how much I waited. Actually, this one didn't take too long to come. Sometimes, sometimes you can wait forever in the mail. I had an item on back order for Dooney and Burke that has been taken. It's been like a month and a half, almost 2 months, and I haven't received my item yet on back order from Dooney and Burke. So this one though, however, when I was at the Marc Jacobs outlet, I went ahead and placed the order for Marc Jacobs online, the retail Marc Jacobs, and the outlet girls helped me place my order. I saw this beauty and I wanted it, and it wasn't at the outlet, it was at the retail store, and they were like, yeah, we could place the order here for you. So it finally came in the mail, and I did go ahead and open this beauty up. I haven't worn her yet, but I wanted to take a look at her. So here she is. So this is how my package was delivered. Right here. And it's basically, let me just go ahead and show you what she is. Let me go ahead and pull her out. So that's the box that she came in from Marc Jacobs. And it's a retail bag. She's so cute. Here she is, you guys. It's a crossbody. It's the mini bucket. It's the Marc Jacobs mini bucket. Right here. She's so cute. I love monogram bags. You guys know how much we love the Coat signature monogram bags, Louis Vuitton monogram, Gucci monogram, anything monogram. I'm a monogram lover. So I wanted something in the signature Marc Jacobs print, and I couldn't resist this beauty right here when I saw her online. I love that she says Marc Jacobs right there. And she came with her lovely dust bag, and this dust bag is just too cute. I love the Marc Jacobs dust bag, and they have the clothing in the same pattern for Marc Jacobs, the jackets, the pants, the shirts, all different types of clothing when I go into the outlet. So I love the pattern clothes, the clothing essentials for Marc Jacobs. So they're calling this the beige multi. They're calling this pattern the Marc Jacobs. They're calling it the beige multi, but it's the mini drawstring bucket bag. And I absolutely love it because it's a cute, and you can wear a crossbody. It'll be nice to wear crossbody as well. I was so happy to go ahead and pick this beauty up. And look, she has all leather at the bottom. It's going to be fun to compare this to my mini Dempsey, my Coach mini Dempsey bucket drawstring bag. So this beauty does have an interior pocket. Here is her cards and information. So cute. And she does have an interior pocket, and she's pretty deep in here. I like that she'll be able to hold a cell phone, my keys, all my essentials. Even though she's a tiny bucket bag, she still will be able to hold a lot. So stay tuned to my channel for us to go ahead and talk about this lovely bucket bag and what all she'll be able to hold on my channel.